Hi everyone. Welcome to EDU Story English. On this channel, we understand life, habits, and the human brain through science and also history. No fear, no judgment, only clarity and knowledge. Today's story is about the brain, pleasure, and modern habits. Have you ever felt mentally tired after watching content online? Nothing physical happened, yet your energy feels low. Many people experience this, but don't understand why. Science has a clear explanation for it. We live in a world of instant pleasure. Our brain loves quick rewards and easy stimulation. This is not a weakness. It's how the brain is designed. But problems start when stimulation becomes excessive. The brain repeats actions that give pleasure automatically. Dopamine is the key chemical, signaling motivation, not happiness. High dopamine spikes affect focus, mood, and energy. Today we'll see this in a simple, scientific way. So today we'll understand one important question. What does porn actually do to your brain? Not emotionally, not morally, but scientifically. Let's start by understanding how the brain works and understand how the brain reacts to natural pleasure. Your brain constantly looks for rewards. Whenever something feels good, the brain releases dopamine. Dopamine motivates you to repeat that behavior. This system helps humans survive and grow. In natural situations, dopamine comes from effort. Exercise, learning, achievements, and relationships release it slowly. This builds focus, confidence, and long-term motivation. The brain feels balanced and stable, but some modern habits give dopamine very fast. No effort, no waiting, just instant stimulation. The brain treats this as a powerful reward, and powerful rewards strongly shape behavior. Porn provides intense visual stimulation instantly. It creates a sharp dopamine spike in the brain. The brain starts preferring this over natural rewards. This is where the reward system begins to shift. Repeated exposure affects motivation, focus, and emotional control. When dopamine spikes too high, the brain feels excited. But this excitement doesn't last long. Soon after, dopamine levels drop below normal. Afterward, dopamine drops, causing emptiness or low energy. Brain seeks the stimulus again, forming a loop. This dopamine crash feels uncomfortable. The brain remembers what caused the spike earlier, so it pushes you to repeat the same behavior. This is how habit loops begin. Now, hormones come into the picture. Frequent dopamine spikes can disturb hormonal balance. Testosterone, linked to energy and focus, may fluctuate. Cortisol, the stress hormone, may increase after crashes. The brain always adapts to repeated patterns. Over time, dopamine receptors become less sensitive. This means the same content feels less exciting. The brain starts asking for more intensity. At this stage, habits become automatic. Cue, craving, action, reward. The loop repeats. This is not about willpower or character. It's simply how neural pathways work. As the brain chases easy rewards, focus weakens. Tasks like studying or working feel boring. The prefrontal cortex struggles to stay active. Productivity and learning are affected. Attention span slowly reduces. Hard work feels less rewarding than before. Small achievements don't excite the brain anymore. Motivation shifts toward easy pleasure. This happens quietly over time. Mood also begins to change. People may feel irritated, fatigued, or mentally tired. Energy levels fluctuate without clear reason. These are signs of dopamine imbalance. Overstimulation affects working memory. It becomes harder to retain information. Focus breaks more easily. Learning takes more effort than before. The brain gets used to unrealistic visuals. Real-life interactions may feel less exciting. Emotional connection requires effort, not instant reward. This gap can affect relationships. Brain prioritizes dopamine over empathy. The brain becomes confused about rewards. Instant pleasure feels more valuable than real progress. Life satisfaction slowly decreases. This is not failure, it's chemistry. Over time, tolerance develops. The same stimulation no longer feels enough. The brain looks for novelty and intensity. The cycle continues unless interrupted. Mental energy gets spent on stimulation. Creativity, productivity, and real tasks are neglected. Time and focus slip away quietly. Growth slows down. After every crash, the brain wants relief. It remembers the fastest source of dopamine. This creates a compulsive feeling. Decision-making becomes harder. Science explains this clearly. Prefrontal cortex controls decisions and impulses. Overstimulation weakens it temporarily. Self-control decreases automatically. Awareness and habit changes restore control. The good news is the brain can recover. Neural pathways can change again. The brain is flexible at any age. Awareness is the first step. Exercise, learning, or creative hobbies release dopamine naturally. Strengthens focus, memory, and emotional stability. Hormone balance improves. Replace artificial stimulation with real-life rewards. Mindfulness slows down impulsive reactions. It strengthens attention and emotional control. The brain learns to pause before craving. This helps reset reward sensitivity. Mindfulness regulates attention and emotions. Meditation reduces impulsive behavior. Strengthens prefrontal cortex. Helps control dopamine cravings. Reducing stimulation for short periods helps. It allows dopamine receptors to recover. Focus and energy slowly return. This is supported by neuroscience. Sleep, food, and movement affect brain chemistry. Good habits support testosterone balance. Healthy habits counter overstimulation. Stress hormones reduce naturally. Consistency brings results. Awareness is the first step to change. When you understand the brain, guilt disappears. You stop fighting yourself. Instead, you guide your behavior. Knowledge alone changes behavior and becomes power. This topic is not about shame, it's about understanding cause and effect. Small habits create big brain changes. Balance is the goal. Your brain is not broken. It is simply adapting to what you feed it. Change the input, and the output changes. Science confirms this. Habits may seem harmless, but have long-term brain effects. Small, consistent steps improve brain health. Awareness, habit replacement, and mindfulness restore balance. Science emphasizes balance, not guilt. You're not your habits. Brain adapts quickly when guided consciously. You can retrain your brain at any age. Take control of focus, energy, and motivation today. One step at a time. Ask yourself, which habits give real reward? Which are temporary pleasures with hidden costs? Awareness is the first step to better brain health. Share this knowledge to help others too. Knowledge changes thinking. Thinking changes habits. Habits change life. Thank you for watching EDU Story English. If this was useful and helped you understand your mind, like, comment, and share. Stay curious, stay aware, and make choices that strengthen your brain. Subscribe for more science-based videos.